जिले 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 और लड़कियां मिले 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 पे भाई.
Hello, traders around the world. How are you? Are you ready for this week trade? Do you have already made a plan, trade ideas? For today, I'm gonna share with you my trade plan and ideas for this week trade. So, first thing first, as I always said that we need to check the US dollar index future for us to see to have a bigger picture and for our conviction and our bias where the price is going, what is the price action for this coming week, what is the probability it is going down, it is push the momentum of the US dollar index. So let's recap for the US dollar index future, what happened here. Here is the resistance of the daily. After it broke the resistance, so what is the possibility? The price might reverse to retest this resistance. So for this week, it might have a retest for the US dollar index. So what will happen? It may go down here for the retest before it gained the continuation of the momentum for the DXY. Check for the 1 hour. Yeah, if we're gonna put a trend line in here, that's the break of the structure. Yeah, it might revisit or retest the previous resistance, which is this the red area. And the possible next resistance is this yellow area. And next is the green line, green area. So let's check for some currency. Check the Euro USD. So every time you trade, guys, you must check the higher time frame, monthly, weekly, daily, before you go down to the lower time frame. So as here we can see at the Euro USD monthly, here is the recent breakout in here. So if you notice here, we have the double top here, this area, and here is the very bearish candle followed by doji. Then next, it is very obvious, guys, that the euro will show some weakness because of this very bearish candle. So need to go to weekly. Yep, here is the weekly chart of the euro usd after it broke out this trend line. The price goes deep farther. This is very obvious, guys, this double tap in here. We have double tap in here. It shows some weakness. If you show this chart, this double tap, it is very clear, it is very obvious that the price might go down or have a bearish week. So it might, there's a big probability that the price of Euro USD might go down further. But if we look at the daily, here is after it broke out the support at the daily, there is a green candle in here. It shows some uh, reversal. So we will see if this support area will gonna have any rejection in here. So USD need to break this trend line, this daily trend line, in order to show if there's any reversal or momentum. If we go down to the 4 hours, yes, here is the chart. Here there's a very bullish candle engulfing. It's might have some reversal. Already broke this resistance, then trying to break this next resistance, which is the yellow area. If we will go to 1 hour, yep, here is the trend line. After it broke out, there is a possibility that the price might retest here, this red area. This is the previous resistance. Because we already know that the DXY might have a retest in order to push the price further to maintain the momentum. It needs to retrace. So let's see what will happen if you're gonna enter this Euro USD for scalping here. It is very clear this yellow and the red area is the support and resistance of the 1 hour time frame of Euro USD. So it is already broke the trend line here. So it might have entered the short position here. Here is your stop loss. Here's my reward, 14 pips. Because as the price approaching the support, there is an reaction will happen. It might reverse, or as long as the price didn't break the support area, this red area, there might be the price will reverse in here. But if the price broke out this support area, this changes to the blue, yeah, then the price might goes down farther to the trend line or here. But it is not direct line. So because everybody knows that the price move at an impulsive, then correction, impulsive correction, or it might happen like this, and some reversal in here, then broke out here, then make a retest here, then the price might go down further. So let's see guys what will happen for the price action of the Euro USD. Let's check out the USD CAD. Yep. Go to the monthly. Yep. There is reversal happening here. At the monthly, this is the monthly chart guys. So this is the very basic guys. This is the here is the support area, which is the blue area, and here is the yellow area. This is the resistance. Then just put the trend line here, and it already broke out at the monthly time frame. They're showing some weakness here because of this resistance in here. You see the reaction, the wick of this bullish candle. Let's check for the weekly. Yes, it might show some rejection at this level because it need to break this area in order to push the price further higher. So let's check for the daily. Yes, it is very obvious, guys, that there is a rejection here because of this candle with the long wick here. As the price approach the resistance area, the price is showing some weakness here. As you can see, this is very obvious, guys, with this long wick after this very bullish candle here at the daily time frame. So how we gonna trade this pair USD CAD? Check for the 4 hours. Yep, here is the rejection candle. This is the shooting star. If we gonna put a time trend line here, check, you see how the price shows some rejection here. As it approach the resistance area, there is a rejection happening in here. So let's go to lower time frame, 1 hour. Yep, the price already broke the trend line here. So if I am going to use the Fibonacci level, the retracement, let's see, from swing high to the swing low here. Yeah, the price reject at 0.382 level. So if we will use the ABC pattern here from swing high, ABC from here is our A, B, and C. Then here is our target price. So it's just very clear, guys, what will happen to the USD for this week. It might be the USD DXY will make some short-term retest to the previous resistance, as it already broke out the resistance at the daily. So the USD CAD might show some weakness for this week. So let's see to the 5 minutes. Yep. So here is a simple trade plan if you want to scalp this pair USD CAD. So just find out the support of resistance of USD CAD. Support and resistance of 1 hour here. In order for us to have a guide or a bias for a long-term bias, so we have this strong conviction before we enter this USD CAD. So here is the resistance, this level, the red, and this is the next resistance that might be might have the possible reaction in here for this yellow area, so it might show some reversal. Then if this area broke out, the price might go down deeper to here at the blue area. So let's see, because after this first sequence of the Fibonacci retracement, the A will gonna be here at letter C. So because this is the first sequence, guys, so we need to wait to this price to hit this D extension before we can plot the second sequence, guys. So if in case it materialize, if this ABC pattern materialize, this is the first sequence of the Fibonacci retracement. So the second sequence is here. You will put here the this letter C, base C, will be our A. So from here, A. So where is the price might reverse? Then here, A and B. Sorry. So here is the A and maybe. Here's the A. Here is the B or C. And here is our T extension for the second sequence. So let's see what will happen. Then we can have here for scalping our entry. So it is very clear, guys. Where is our entry? Where is our exit? Where is our stop loss? It is possible that this price might hit this D extension, because as you can see here, we have here this resistance level in here, at this level. This is confluence to the Fibonacci retracement. Here is the extension here, this 0.618 level. Okay. So let's check for the AUD/USD. Always check the higher time frame, the monthly, weekly, and the daily. So this is very nice movement here. After, check this out, guys, 1 2 3 4 5 attempts, 5 rejection candle of the monthly time frame. It is very obvious, guys, that the price might go down because of this failed rejection. So it is happened here 1 2 3 months for bearish movement for AUD/USD. So let's see what will happen. Go to the weekly. Here we have this very bearish candles. So after the price broke out this resistance, then try to retest and it fails, the price go down. This very huge candle in here, this bearish candle here. So what's next? Here is the support area, this blue area. So it is possible to reach this support before it might have a reversal or any reaction here. So it is very obvious, guys, where is the price is going as the USD gained momentum last week. Go to the 4 hours. Here is the chart. So here might this very big range here, range trading only here. Then after the consolidation here, it broke out this box. Then the price dive goes down. So here the 4 hours, just wait for this trend line to broke out, then the price goes down deeper as the price goes here. Go down, impulsive correction, impulsive, then it may happen this direction as we check the 1 hour. Yeah, it is very obvious, guys, that this is the 1 hour resistance and this is the support. As the price broke out, this support area, the price make a retest here. It fails as the price have this rejection. Yeah, as we can see here, here is the previous support. Now it turns to resistance. Now just put the trend line here, then we need to check for the 5 minutes chart. Yep, it is very clear, guys. Very easy trade here. Here it tries to break this resistance. Again, try to break here, but it failed. So it's showing if this happened as first, second, third attempt, but it fails. It is very obvious that the price may go down farther. As you can see here, just put the trend line in here. So how you gonna trade this for the next day for this week? So we might enter here short position. So here is the entry, here is the stop loss. Just 1% of your portfolio here. And if we wait for any reversal here, we will use the Fibonacci level, Fibonacci retracement. It might happen like this. It might have rejection here, then retrace, then price might go down like this. This is only the probability, guys, but we need a confirmation before we enter. So if it happened that you are not able to enter this area, we will wait for the price on which level make a rejection. For the next day. So here is the very clear possible trade idea. We just wait for the price for any rejection for us to be able to ride this wave. So it might the price goes down here or here. So as I've said, if the price reverse at this area, retrace at this area, at the red line, the possible extension, the target price is here, the 0.618. So it might here is our A and B, C, and D. Here is our target price. So let's check tomorrow if this trade plan will materialize, as we need to have a proper risk management and we need to have a proper trade plan before we enter the market. So let's check for the NCD USD. Always check for the high time frame. Yeah, here we have resistance in here. This is the monthly time frame, the New Zealand dollar. NCD USD, as it shows this break of resistance here. The resistance level is here. So it tries to break this resistance. As you can see, this rejection candle, this doji 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It tries 6 times to break the resistance, but it fails. So let's see for the weekly. Oh, what's this very nice movement in here? You see this very big bearish candle, it shows weakness. It shows this very bearish candle here. This is red. So what will happen, guys? The price of the NCD USD might goes down further as the USD is gaining momentum. So here is the resistance that might turn as a support, or it might have any reaction here at this level, this yellow area. If we will going to use the Fibonacci retracement, here is the swing high, here is the swing low, this level, and the price retrace at 0.5. So if we'll use the ABC pattern, here's the here is the A and the B, C, here is the extension level. So yeah, because this is the resistance area, there is a confluence, guys. Using here the resistance area with the D extension of the Fibonacci. If we will go down further with the daily, check the daily here. Yes. As you can see, this is the big range here. at this area. After it broke this box, the price goes down deeper, and there's a big possibility to hit the extension here. If we will check the 4 hours time frame, yep, you see this price movement here. It might have some retest. This previous support turns to resistance. Might the price make some retest in here, then goes down deeper after this. So how we gonna enter this pair, NCD USD? Yes, as you see in here, there is a consolidation in here. As the price may have may move here to retest this support, then the price will go down after the retest. So if we were going to trade this, just put the trend line here at the 1 hour to see the price direction. As it already broke the trend line, check for the 5 minutes. Then if you're gonna put the trend line here at the 5 minutes chart, it might have this reversal in here. So just put this box. So as long as the box is still intact, then the price might go up until it reach this area, this blue area, because this is the previous support that might have any possible rejection might happen here to have retest to the price. But as the USD is in need to retest, as we can see at the daily, check here. As I've said, the DXY, the USD might make some retest here, so the NCD might show momentum for the short term. So we will wait for a proper entry for the NCD USD. Here is the 5 minutes chart for the NCD USD. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope we will gain more dollar for this week, as we have already visualized, already make a plan for this week. So best of luck for everybody, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope I help you for your trading ideas and plans. And if you find this video is helpful for you, please subscribe for my channel. Thank you, guys.
जिले 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 और लड़कियां मिले 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 पे भाई